Baba, mat karo yaar. I auditioned and I didn't get the part.
Shah Rukh, I told you to remove your shirt and come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, is that a request? Little louder. Lady in the red. Shah Rukh, sorry, the crowd want you to.
I keep surprising the.
Then let at least Shreyas remove his shirt. Somebody should. Vishal, Shekhar.
Before Cyrus removes it.
The biggest surprise is Cyrus is going to remove his pants tonight for us.
Again. No, okay, we have one question. Kiranji, you requested earlier. You would like to ask Shah Rukh a question pertaining to the release of the music CD of Om Shanti Om. So I don't want to come in the way. Shreyas, if you don't mind, I know you also wanted to, but let Kiranji do this. You wanted to ask Shah Rukh a question, you said, remember?
Shah Rukh, what was it like working with Farah?
That's the one.
You're not supposed to answer that question.
No, I'm
a hypothetical
and I lie very well. It was really wonderful to work with Farah. It's fantastic to work with Farah Khan. As a matter of fact, once you work with her, you don't want to work with her again.
That's not true. You're doing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say that? Sorry. She's absolutely wonderful, and she stands for women power. Actually, the three leading ladies are there. That's Farah Khan, Kiran, and Deepika, and they are the mainstay and power of our film. All those mushtandas, we've really done them. And of course, as you notice, it keeps on becoming worse as we come down.